students of class 6. Today I will take one practical class of chapter 2. So everyone open the book, page number 30, and let's start the practical. Okay, as I am showing it to you, please practice it at home. Open page number 30 and let's see. This page we will do for the practical. Question number 2. Working with files and folders. Certain questions are there. One by one I will read the question for you and show the practical in the laptop. So let's start. The first question is, create a folder by your name on the desktop. Right click on the desktop. Click new folder. See, new folder has created. Type your name over there and press enter. See, one folder has created. Okay. Now, the next question. Click on the start button. Type notepad in the search box. Open the notepad program and type a paragraph of your favorite poem. So let's see. Type notepad. Option is coming. Click on it. Notepad is open now. Type your favorite poem like black sheep. I'm writing only one line. You have to write the full poem, whatever poem is your favorite one. After that, the next question is, create another folder inside your folder and name it as poems. Minimize this. This folder is our folder. Open it. Our folder window is open. Right click on the right pane, new, then folder. Type the name poems. Press enter. The folder is made. After that, save the notepad file in this folder with the name my poem. So now let us go to that file. Click on file, click save. Find your file over here. Click on desktop. See, our folder is shown. Click on desktop. Our folder is shown and inside the subfolder is also there. Over here we will save our file. We will type my poems. And click save. See, our file is saved over here. Okay. Now let us see the next question. Copy the file from the desktop to the D drive. Now this is our file. Copy. How to make copy? Right click on it. This is our file. Right click on it. Copy option, click it. Go to D drive. How to go to D drive? Click on Windows Explorer. Click on this PC. D drive will be shown to you. Double click on it. It will be open. Over here, right click on it and click paste. See, our folder has come. Okay. Next question. Delete the folder. Delete the folder on the desktop. Close this window. We have to delete this. Right click on it. Delete option will come in the shortcut menu. Click on the delete and the file will be deleted. In the recycle bin, you will get the file. Let's see whether it has come or not. Our file name was Show Me. See, our file has come in the recycle bin. Okay, now close the recycle bin window. Let's see the next question. Open the recycle bin, your folder will be there. Delete the folder from the recycle bin. So we have to delete it from the recycle bin. Open the recycle bin, find our folder. Yeah, our folder is here. Right click on it and click delete from the option. One page will come, window will open. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this folder? We will click yes over here and our folder is deleted. See, okay. Last question. Open D drive. Rename your folder as Computer Activity Chapter 2. Close it. Go to D drive again. Windows Explorer we will click. Then we will click this PC. Then we will go to the D drive. See where is our file. Here is our file. Yes, got it. Now right click on it. This list will open over here. Rename option is there. Click on the rename option. Then you write Computer Activity Chapter 2. Okay, and press enter. See, our file is renamed. Now close the window. This is what we have for our practical. Okay, so today we have done the practical of chapter 2. As many questions are there in page number 30. Please practice it at home as I have shown it to you. And if you have any query regarding any question regarding today's class, please write in the comment box. I will reply you back. Okay, and stay at home. Please do your work. Bye bye.